There is a big mystery behind Virat Kohli's retirement at the age of just 36. Experts are saying that he easily could have continued for another 2 to 3 years. He has been recognized as one of the fittest cricketers in the world. Even at this age, he is more fit than many of the young cricketers. He is one of the active fielders in the world cricket, and the youngsters are encouraged by his fielding effort. He has been working very hard on his fitness to minimize the limitations that comes with growing age. Virat Kohli was practicing very hard for the England tour, which is going to start from 20th June 2025. Virat Kohli had also played some matches under the Ranji Trophy to overcome his technical deficiencies. His career batting average is 47, though he is far better than that. But for the last 3 years, his batting average was a little under 32. His deficiency in batting technique was exposed. The bowlers all around the world were taking full advantage of it. They had a predefined plan to attempt one of the greatest of all time by delivering the ball in and around the off stump. He was also found with the batting coach Sanjay Bangar talking maybe about his technique. He was close to a landmark of 10,000 runs in Test cricket, and very few cricketers in the world had reached there. Not only that, but he also was very close to breaking the record of 100 tons of the little master Sachin Tendulkar. We all know that Virat Kohli quite well deserved to be right there at the top of the table. Now the questions that everyone has in their mind: what made him suddenly retire from the Test cricket, where he was strong enough to steer the Indian sea farther ahead? Young Indian upcoming guns would have been very fortunate to have the companionship of the chase master. Now here the news is coming around. In the upcoming Test series India Tour of England, the responsibility of the captaincy will be shouldered by a young player. It is expected to be Shubman Gill, but it has not been declared officially yet. Virat Kohli may not be willing to play under the captaincy of a very young Shubman Gill. Maybe he was expecting Bumrah to take it over from Rohit Sharma.